Hello everyone, my name is Jason Van Brackle. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Zarf schema validation in JetBrains Goland. So our high-level steps for today, our agenda, is to just enable the feature. It's actually really simple. So with that, let's get started. So if you haven't already, go ahead and grab the Zarf code base. I'll show you how to do it here. Let's open up our browser, navigate to the Zarf repository. Go ahead and push the code button, copy the clone URL, and clone that repository in your terminal. Do that however you'd like. Once you finish that, we'll open up Goland. Now, we're working with Goland 2022.2.5, I believe. So your mileage may vary, but I've done this on the last couple of versions of Goland. It's worked just fine. So here, I've already loaded my project in with my Zarf codebase. Feel free to go ahead and do that. We're going to use one of the example zarf.yaml files to prove out that this works. So first and foremost, go to examples. Open up whichever one you'd want. I'll open up Flux test and open up zarf.yaml. You can see here, we have a pretty complicated Zarf package config file. If I were to change this so it doesn't work properly, I get no knowledge that my Zarf YAML file is now wrong. Now, in an earlier video, I showed you how to go and change this in VS Code. We're going to do the same thing here in JetBrains Goland. This works in other JetBrains toolsets. It works in IntelliJ. It works in Writer. We'll be doing other videos on those. Look out for those on our YouTube channel. So click on Goland, down to Preferences, open up Languages and Frameworks, then schemas and DTDs, and then JSON schema mappings. From there, hit the plus button, and we're going to add a Zarf YAML schema. So first things first, we'll give it a name, which is called zarf.yaml. And we need the schema file or the URL of the schema file, but we can get that right from GitHub. So back in the GitHub Zarf repository, if you navigate down to the bottom, you'll find this zarf.schema.json. This is the file we want. So we want the raw version of this file. Click on the Zarf schema.json. Click on raw. And this will give you the full file. Keep in mind, this is for the main branch of Zarf. If you want to work with an earlier version of Zarf and have schema validation, you'll have to grab that branch's version of this file. So let's go ahead and copy the URL. Navigate back to Goland and paste it here. I know this is a JSON schema 4 file. If I were to go back to the file and look at it, we can see here JSON schema draft 04. And then I need a file pattern to match. We're always looking for zarf.yaml. I'm going to add a file pattern, zarf.yaml. Click OK. And you can see here already, the IDE has told us there's a problem. We were to even go down and look at problems. We'd see here schema validation, missing required property components. Let's go ahead and fix that. Everything looks good again. Let's break something else a little bit smaller. Let's go to manifest. And let's just change it to manifest. And here it highlights the area that has violated schema validation. And with that, if you need any help, feel free to reach out to me on Twitch or on the Kubernetes Slack. You can reach the Zarf team in the Zarf channel on the Kubernetes Slack, or you can reach out to Defense Unicorns on Twitter and LinkedIn. So thank you for your time. I hope this has been helpful. If it has been, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.